Hello! To insert SD card to your Redmi Note 14, first of all you'll need to get yourself this pin which comes included with your phone, and you have to open the SIM tray which is located on the bottom of the phone, and right now you need to insert this pin into this little pinhole and push it all the way right here, and as it is pushed all the way you need to simply push it like this, and the SIM tray has been ejected. Now you have to grab it with your nails and simply take it out like this. Alright, and right here at the front we have the first SIM slot, and on the other side right here we have the second SIM slot and the SD card slot, and we simply have to take our SD card, and it needs to be positioned like this with this golden pins facing upwards like this, and you simply have to insert it and it will fit here perfectly. Let me just make sure that it is sitting here correctly all the way. Alright, and as you can see it is all the way in the slot, everything is fine, it's not falling or anything, and you simply have to, right now, you have to rotate your slot, your SIM tray I mean. The SD card just fell out of the slot. Alright, yeah, so right now you carefully have to take your SIM tray, you have to rotate it so the SD card is facing downwards and the SIM card, the first SIM card, is facing upwards. And as you can see, as we have this phone like this, with the front upwards, we have to insert it like this, and it is not getting in for some reason. Let's try again. Something's off. Let me quickly see. Something with this SD card probably. It might be not actually all the way, but I can see that it's everything fine. So let me try again. Let's take this SIM tray, put it inside right here. I don't know, let's just push it maybe. Alright, yeah, you have to just push it in because something was blocked, but as you can see the SIM tray, all the cards are fitting here perfectly, so you basically have to take out your SIM tray if there are any problems and put it back again and try to insert it back right here again. And as you can see, that's basically how to insert your SD card. Thank you for watching.